My name is Andrew McAdams, criminal defense attorney with Canyons Law Group. Most people have heard about expungements and know that there is a way for a person to clean up their criminal history. But the process for expungement can vary widely from person to person and case to case. For some, the road might be long and complicated, and for others, it might be relatively quick and simple. There are yet some cases where a person may not even be eligible for expungement. First, I'd refer you to the state of Utah's website on expungements, and I'm going to put a link in the description to this video. They have a self-help section with all of the forms and instructions that you need if you want to do it on your own. The process is fairly straightforward, and there are a number of forms that you will need to download and submit that you can obtain from the state court's website. You have to pay for the initial application, you have to pay for any certificates of eligibility, and then there's the filing fees with the court, as well as purchasing certified copies and getting those delivered after the judge has ordered the expungement. All in all, it's a process that can take anywhere from 3 to 9 months. So even though it is a wait and you may not be able to get it immediately, you should start thinking about it now so that you have it ready to go when that job comes along. Depending on how busy the state is, there can be sometimes months where we are waiting for them to process the application. While we're waiting for the application to go through, that gives us plenty of time to work on gathering all of the police reports that might be necessary, any of the sentencing reports, gathering letters of recommendations from family and loved ones, so that when they finally do process the document and we obtain the certificates of eligibility, we're able to file that application for expungement right away. Once we get the formal case filed with a judge, the process can go much quicker. Obtaining expungement is, I think, a meaningful thing for people to go through if you have a criminal history. My clients generally have worked very hard to turn the page on their past and to become a new and better person. We work with our clients to tell that story, to make that case. We've been able to help people obtain expungement even if they've had very severe convictions. If you have been working hard to turn your life around and you're still being held back by the consequences of previous criminal convictions, please give us a call at Canyons Law Group. Our initial consultations are always free. The process might be quicker and simpler than you would think, but even if you are looking at a long, drawn-out process, it's better to get started now. We've been able to help clients that are working for sometimes 6 months, a year, or even 2 years in advance of the time when they're going to be eligible to apply for that expungement, so that they're ready to just knock it out of the park as soon as the time passes and they're eligible to do so. Now, for some people, unfortunately, expungement is not an option. If the crime is so severe, a person may not be eligible for expungement. If that's the case, we still may be able to help you through getting you into the range of eligibility for expungement. And if you're ultimately not able for the expungement, we do help people go through the pardon process as well. I'm not going to get into pardons in this video, but please check back for a future video on the pardon process. If you would like to receive that video or any of our future content, please don't forget to click like and subscribe below. Until next time, this is Andrew McAdams, criminal defense attorney with Canyons Law Group, wishing you all the best. Thanks.